What's going on, folks? You right here with your boy PScounny, and today I will show you how I creatively chop up samples in Serato sampler. So stay tuned, and we'll be right at you. First, we're gonna go ahead and open up Serato. Next thing, we go ahead and find a sample. Already, you know that's the favorite part. Alright, today I'm looking for like some kind, maybe guitar or melodic, either one. You can lean any kind of way. But I'm gonna go with guitar first, because I like my guitars. I love my guitars. I like that. Let's go with that. That's what I always do. I call it random moments. Some people just hit the find sample, but I click random, because that's random already. Okay, then we're gonna go through and see what we have here. So this one right here, I like how it's going. I'm gonna reverse that one. Look like we already found something. So we have what we're left with today. Get that off the screen. Just gonna do this real quick. Just going and make sure everything's in the right time and quantized. Command J. Join that. Now we have a loop. We have a loop that we like so far. Let's see how it sounds. Sounds magnificent. So let's go in. I want to do some more to this. First, we want to start by pitching it down 3. Then we're going to take some of the attack off of the first one. Maybe some of the attack off of that. Take some with the attack on the second one as well, on the H. Okay, turn that down so. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some of the muddiness off of it and take some of this, put a low pass filter on it. Take some of the lows off. Do it to tune it to your ears, because you know what you like. First I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna bust to number 10 and put a reverb on it. Turn up the bus. That's what I also like to do. I'm gonna put another bus on it. Probably to number 14 to add space. And, I'm gonna put a guitar rig on it. Don't laugh at me. I still have the demo, but I love it. Go to guitar amps. Let's try a plex or jump. Let's try jump. See what jump has in here. Oh, you got to turn the bus up. You can't see me down there, huh? I'm right here. It's allowed for today. I'm trying to put another filter on the guitar rig. Take some of the bud out. And the crunchiness out. Now I want this to move a little bit, so I'm going to add. Let's see what I will add. I will add let's try a flanger. I know, you know what? Let's try a tremolo. We're in the lab. We're in the lab, so we're gonna make it move. Probably put this on the bus too. It's moving too much. Put it on 11. And there you have it. Take a sample, chop it up, and get creative with it. Get creative with it and bring it into your element and bring it into your world. Now, if you want to see me turn this loop into 5 beat, excuse my French, turn it into a 5 beat, stay tuned until the next episode, like Dr. Dre said.